Ghost Rivers is a public art installation that visualizes the path of a lost stream buried below the streets of Baltimore. I first encountered this creek on an antique map, notably absent from today's urban landscape. But beneath the city, Sumwalt Run and dozens of other buried streams still flow through brick and concrete tunnels. Wooded stream valleys once crisscrossed Baltimore's landscape. But as the city grew rapidly in the 19th century, urban development elbowed against these rocky creeks, bringing water pollution and flooding. In 1905, Baltimore aimed to solve these issues with a new system of sanitary and stormwater sewers. Once free-flowing streams became enclosed stormwater culverts, buried up to 45 feet below street level. Over time, these waterways were erased from the map and forgotten. Ghost Rivers brings Sumwalt Run back to the surface, mapping the original stream path over 2 kilometers. Across 12 installation sites, a sinuous blue line adds a real-life cartographic overlay where the lost stream path crosses public roads and sidewalks. These pale blue pavement markings playfully evoke graphic depictions of water. Sculptural signs at each site serve as markers for a self-guided walking tour. Visitors can peer through a unique river cutout in each metal sign to visualize the course of Sumwalt Run at that location. A written narrative reveals parallels between social and urban infrastructure and our natural ecosystems. And a content-rich website lets visitors delve even deeper into the topic. I originally conceived of Ghost Rivers as a memorial or a monument to a lost landscape. Humans traditionally memorialize our own people and history. But how might public art engender the same type of reverence, remembrance, and emotional connection to our shared landscapes? Can linking human and ecological stories inspire new levels of care and connection to the places we inhabit, and spark deeper conversations about buried waterways? Since its installation, I've been pleased to see the project resonate deeply with local residents, along with visitors and viewers from all over the world. Guided walking tours, community events, and media coverage have all created public opportunities to engage with hidden histories and urgent ecological issues. And for me, Ghost Rivers has been an opportunity to peel back the layers of neighborhood history, ecologies, and urban development, and to imagine not just the past, but also the future of our city landscape.